From boosting our mood to strengthening our immune system, research shows that a healthy gut can have a major impact on our overall health and well-being. But what exactly is gut health, and why is it so important, especially for women? I sat down with gastroenterologist Dr. Pradnya Mitroo to break down what's really happening inside our digestive system and learn how to take better care of it.
So gut health basically is an over-encompassing thing where what's happening in our gut actually determines what's happening systemically all throughout our body. How what's happening in our gut affects our brain, what's happening in our gut affects our heart. It really affects all systems. And the way it does that is through something called the gut microbiome, which more and more people are hearing about, which is, I think, why gut health is becoming a bigger topic that everybody's talking about these days.
What are also some early warning signs that maybe a woman's digestion is out of balance?
So you can get something called gut dysbiosis. So dysbiosis means an imbalance of the bacteria in our gut. So as I said earlier, there are many trillions of bacteria in our gut that determine a lot of different things, and so many different things can change that. So antibiotics, if you take a lot of antibiotics, that can change the gut microbiome. Hormone changes can change the gut microbiome. Diet definitely changes the gut microbiome. So depending on what you're eating, whether you're eating more natural foods versus processed foods, will change your gut microbiome.
If women want to take better care of their digestive, their gut health, and maybe they don't really know where to start, what are some steps you would recommend, maybe those first steps to improve their gut health?
Yeah, so I think that the first step is looking at the diet because we have to use food as medicine. I always tell my patients, if you don't use food as medicine, then you're going to end up needing medication at some point. So look at what you're eating. Minimize the processed food in your diet is the most important thing. So by processed food, I mean if you cannot replicate it in your kitchen, you really shouldn't be eating it. I guess you start with the supermarket. What you actually bring into the house is really important.
If you could just, like a final thought, give people one piece of advice, like what's one thing they should do or change in their daily lives to improve their gut health?
I think being really mindful of what you're putting in your mouth every day. Look at it and see, how is this going to improve my gut microbiome? How is this going to give me more energy? Really be mindful of how you're picking the things that you're eating. I think that's really important, and always remember that you're affecting everybody else that's around you as well.
I like that, being mindful eating.
Mindful eating.
Not mindlessly eating.
Yes. Mindful eating is very important.
Well, Dr. Mitroo, thank you so much for your time and for talking to us about this. Appreciate you.
Great, thank you.
Thank you.